Many of you sent me a message asking, Tyrone, does e-commerce and dropshipping actually work? And rather than responding to all of you, I decided to start a new concept which is trying dropshipping, and this is going to be the episode 1. For several weeks, I'm going to try launching myself into dropshipping, but not in just anywhere. In each episode, I'm going to challenge myself by launching different products in the UAE and Saudi Arabia market. But as many of you know, these past few months, I've generated over 400,000 dirhams with my dropshipping store, and all of that money came from selling the UAE and Saudi Arabia. And for me, it seems simple because I've been doing it for already more than 4 years. But I know that you want to know the steps I undertake whenever I want to launch in this market. So I decided to show you everything from A to Z. Whether you're a beginner or not, this video is for you. You might not know this, the Saudi and the UAE market has its own specific payment processor, delivery methods, and average salary per person. These two countries work completely differently. So I strongly recommend you to watch till the end, because one piece of information could completely change your result. And also, of course, if you're interested to see how much I'm going to make at the end of the video, with each of these challenges, you'll be able to see the pros and cons of these two markets and the steps to also start your e-commerce journey. Anyway, I've already talked enough. Let's start with episode 1. I almost forget, if this first episode get at least 500 likes, I'm going to give this store to one person. And not only that, plus 500 dirhams of budget to start launching and begin his or her e-commerce journey. And to be able to win, it is very easy. You just have to like the video and comment anything under the video. I will announce the winner in the next challenge. So for this first episode, we are going to concentrate on the Saudi Arabia market. Saudi Arabia has 37 million inhabitants, which is enormous. They have an average salary of 7,252 Saudi Riyal, which is about 7,200 dirhams, according to Biden's. And in terms of advertising, we have 25 million TikTok users, which are over 18. So if there are 25 million adult users, there's a huge chance to make a lot of money. And for what we know, Saudi Arabia is putting a lot of budget into its marketing. We keep hearing everywhere, whether it's the football project, the radio state, or futuristic megacities. That is why for all these years, I saw that Saudi Arabia was the market to bet on, while other people were concentrating on the Europe and USA market. But before we start, what is even dropshipping? Dropshipping is simply selling product online with a profit margin added on top. And there's a step-by-step process behind every successful dropshipping store, which is finding a winning product, building your Shopify store, start advertising, and see whether you get sales or not. So now you have to keep all these steps in mind. And we shall begin with the first one, which is finding a winning product, and we are going to do it on TikTok. TikTok is the best platform to find products which are already selling. On TikTok, you don't have to guess what might work. You can already see it in real time. Products go viral, creators showcase them, and you instantly know what is in demand. Okay guys, so I'm going to share my screen with you and open TikTok. This is where I do all my product research. Inside TikTok, we are going to use two popular tags to find products, which are TikTok made me buy it and Amazon finds. And when you search for this tag, you will see tons of different products. From there, you just need to choose one. But before choosing, you have to understand what actually makes a product a winning product. A winning product must solve a problem. You find a particular problem, you find a product, and you present that product to those people having that problem, and they are going to buy. And also, a winning product on TikTok must have at least 10,000 likes on the video showcasing the products. So here's what I'm going to do. I will stay on TikTok for almost 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to try to find a few potential winning products. And once I find something that looks promising, I'm going to break it all down for you.
A few moments later.
Alright my people, I think I found something very interesting. It's in the beauty and personal care niche. It is a product for women that want to grow their lashes. Because here's the thing, a lot of women struggle with short, thin or weak lashes. And whether we like it or not, it is a real insecurity. And like I told you earlier, in business, where there is a problem, there is always a solution we can offer. So now you have got both. We got a clear problem and we got a solution that can solve it. And when you find your product on TikTok, now the next step is that when you find your product on TikTok, you need to go and study what the competition is doing. Which type of website is selling this type of product and at what price they are selling it. And to be able to find all this type of information, it is very simple. We simply head to Pinterest. So we are going to type Pinterest. We click, okay, the first link. We're into Pinterest. Now you have to search for the product. You paste your product name and you make a general search. We can see different product. This is the exact one I found. The name is BioAqua, large growth product. You click on visit site and then we scroll. This is this one. And now when you reach on the site of the competitor, we can see which type of images he have input on his website. We also check the quality of his website. And our only role is that we're going to take what he's doing and we're going to make it better for us to be able to sell. Okay, we can see the reviews, the price. For him, we are saying that he's selling the product one at $19. He's saying that 50% discount. Interesting. We are going to reproduce what we are seeing. Now, since we have the website of our competitor, the next step is going to be creating our store. And the best platform for that is going to be Shopify. And it doesn't matter if you don't have experience, because Shopify allows anyone, even with zero technical skills, to create, run, and scale an online store from only one platform. So I'm going to head over Shopify, set everything, and upload the product picture. We type Shopify, we click on Start for free. We are going to log in with our Gmail. So from here, I'm going to upload my product, add my pricing, and I'm going to include my margins. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a few hours to completely build my Shopify store. Then I'm going to come back and show you the final results.
A little longer than a few minutes later. A few moments later.
Okay guys, the store is finally complete. And let me show you exactly how it looks like. As you can see, I've input this image, I've input the product, I even made a logo. We click on this. So when a customer is going to click on my ads, this is exactly where he's going to land. The name of the product is BioAqua Natural Lash Serum. You see, I've input this review box, proven results. These are the different images of the product. Order now, only 6 left. I also decided to put a bundle. If the customer ordered the product today, it's going to be delivered, let us say, in 3 to 4 days. And I decided to put the product at 100 SAR because I've checked with my supplier. Supplier is selling the product at 49 with the delivery. I decided to put a why you are going to love it description. You can see I also decided to put get noticeable result in less than 4 weeks. For the customer to imagine that if she buy the product and see great results in the next 12 weeks. I also decided to put videos about the product, so that she can see how the product actually works. And then I decided to put great reviews. I decided to input again what are the different ingredients inside the product. We got a great before and after. More reviews of the product. So we can see that everything is set up properly in our website. And if you want to start dropshipping and you need this exact same theme to use it for your own store, you can join the Telegram channel in the description and send me a message. I'm going to send the theme to you. And also don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to be the one that is going to win this store, plus 500. So now we are going to move to the most important part, which is bringing traffic or customer into your website. But before you even launch traffic to your website, you're going to need a proper ads video showcasing how your product works and how it can solve the problem of the customer. So it means that if your creative or your ads is not well done, people won't even care visiting your website. So you need to take your time with the ads video. Since I have a brother, he's the one who made the creatives. So let me show you what a good creative look like. And because we are selling in Saudi Arabia, it is completely in Arabic. Okay.
فراغات واضحة والماسكارا ما تعطيك النتيجة اللي تبينها. تعرفي على بايو اكوا ايلاش اسنس، مو مجرد تغطية. هذا سيروم يساعد على نمو الرموش. استخدميه كل ليلة قبل النوم.
You can see the start of the video, we can see the problem, and then next we can see the solution, and then we can see the after, very straight to the point. We can see the before and we can see the after. We can see a lady using the product. Very interesting. So only in this ad, we have all the components for us to be able to make great sales. Actually, now we have reached the most important and most exciting part, which is where we need to launch our ads to make money. And right now, the best platform to launch ads is going to be TikTok. Everyone is on TikTok. And like I told you earlier, we have 25 million users over 18 years old using TikTok in Saudi Arabia. And compared to Facebook and Instagram, the cost per results is relatively low. And trust me, I've tested all of them. Okay guys, so we're going to launch our TikTok ads. First, we are going to type TikTok Ads Manager. When you type TikTok Ads Manager, we are going to select this one. Okay? If you don't have a TikTok Ads Manager, you need to create one.
15 minutes later.
We just created our TikTok Ads Manager. I'm going to show you how we can launch our ads. First, we are going to click on Campaign. And then we click on Create. We click on Switch to full version. We don't need to make rich, we want to make sales on our website. We click on website, switch to previous version. We are going to choose manual campaign and then we confirm. So when you're going to launch your ads, these are the exact steps you need to follow. Our ad group name, we can put it Lash Growth. Lash Growth. Then we scroll down, we got our catalog. Catalog is simply the place where TikTok have saved your product. Optimization location. We click on optimization event, and what we want is for people to first of all view our content. Placement. For the placement, we are going to select placement, because if you select automatic placement, TikTok is going to show your ads on the TikTok platform and also on their other platform, which is known as Spangle. But we only want TikTok to show our ads on TikTok, so we remove Spangle. We click on advanced setting. We don't want any customer to be able to comment on our ads, because a single bad comment can destroy the performance of an ad. So we turn off. We are going to select Saudi Arabia. Okay. Now for the age, we are going to select from 18 to 45. Since this product is only for women, we select women. And now we have a available audience of 13 to 16 million, which is huge. We scroll down. Now for the budget, we are going to put 50. We click on continue. This is the place where you need to put your ad video. We are going to create an identity for us to be able to launch our ads. Let us say we click on create new custom identity. So we are going to select the picture of an Arabic woman, and then we give a name. Let us say her name is going to be Aliyah. And then we click on create. So when people are going to see our ads, they are going to see the picture of Aliyah and her name, thinking that okay, it is Aliyah which is launching ads and talking about the product. And now let us say our text is going to be summer sales, 50% off, only to incite them to make a purchase of our product. And now we are going to select our video. We upload our video. Now for the website URL, we need to go in our website, in the product page, and we take our URL, so that when they are going to click on our website link, they are going to arrive here to make a purchase. We paste it here. Okay. Now for the call of action, we put shop now. And when everything is done properly, now you need to click on publish all. Okay guys, that is it. Our ads is officially running. Now we need to wait and we need to pray. And we are going to check tomorrow what are going to be our results. Since our ads is online, hopefully we can be able to reach this type of results with that product. This is one of my store. I've already scaled to 30,000. We can see that with this store, it is in UAE, not in Saudi Arabia. Welcome back guys. I think that we have managed to complete this challenge successfully. So let me open my screen for you. We can see that we ended up with 13 orders, which honestly is not really bad for a first day. While setting on my ad, I decided to put a budget of 25 dirhams. And I think that after 30 minutes, that is when I get my first sales. And at that moment, I decided to raise the budget from 25 to 100, which tripled the amount of customers getting to the website. So you can see we got 325 session, 1,300 SAR of sales with 13 orders. Now let me show you the website a second time. Yeah, so we are already in our product page. You can see our product image. We can see our reviews, the name of our product, more reviews, the price, only 6 left in stock. We can see the bundle. We can see that from the analytics, no customer decided to choose the second bundle, which is buy 2 for 169 dirhams. They all prefer to only buy 1 for 100 dirhams, which is still in our advantage. Get noticeable result in less than 4 weeks. We can see the different videos. We can see our reviews, product ingredient, and that is it guys. Now before I hand this store to one of you, I'm going to continue to scale this store at least to 2,000 SAR. So if you want to be one of the person that is going to win this store, don't forget to like, subscribe, and like I said, just comment anything under the video. And if you want to know how I build this store step by steps, make sure to check my other videos in the channel. And if right now you're in a situation where you need a direct guidance, you can check the first link in the description for my mentorship and my community on Telegram. Now I'm going to see you in the next challenge.